Hi, Dave here from the Roads and Rails Museum. This is not our usual technical video, but one on a more mundane subject, cashier software. We use one of the big ones. It's a name brand one, and we've had some headaches when it breaks down. And it does about every year or so, and then I have to spend a lot of time on the phone with somebody. For those of you who haven't talked to us, and great thanks to you, all of you who have conversed with us over the years, we've learned a lot, and I hope that you guys learned a lot too. We came out of the software world. I worked on two different hotel management systems, a restaurant system, a spa system, and one just for meeting spaces like convention centers. And I've done this kind of thing before with the point of sale world as well. Anyway, we found it really irritating that we couldn't fix our cashier point of sale system. The industry term is POS system. Yes, I know. When it broke down, or add features that we liked. There are open source systems out there, but as the great Joel Spolsky pointed out, it's more fun to write code than to read it. And I yielded to the temptation. I decided to write one from the ground up. No system is out without its dead ends. These processes, you make mistakes and you have to go back and undo things. Mine was the initial language choice. I've been programming in Python for years and decided to go with Python for our POS system. And it's an important proviso. I'd never actually programmed that much with any GUI, graphical user interfaces. I'd built things that didn't require them. So I had never played much with tkinter, which is the main, but not only, I want that to know that, not only user GUI plugin, but it's the one that most people use. I'd done small things, but this would be much bigger and need much more precision as to where things are laid out on the screen. I got as far as building the database and adding the inventory maintenance form and decided no. I had too much struggling with the layout and not enough getting more important work done. So out with Python. And in with Visual Basic, my old friend. I went online and got Visual Studio 2019, not Visual Studio Code, which we just saw, which is also wonderful but completely different. And I began dragging and dropping form objects like the good Lord intended. I've been adding tables in SQL Server, building queries in form after form for inventory, discounts, cash payments, card payments, and setting up categories. Reports are still on the way. I'm trying to figure out Microsoft's replacement for Crystal Reports, which was a dream, but obviously they didn't feel like giving another company money. Speaking of card processing, I have set up something with BluePay that works, but I'm not married to it yet. I'm still looking at my options. Anyway, folks, this is what I've been working on, one of the things I'm working on, and there's more to come. I'm also playing with Django and Java a lot on the side, so you might see some changes in our website. Maybe we'll have some more options, or I don't know. We have a good website, but I'm told that you have to change them every once in a while. So maybe we'll be doing that at a much deeper level with Django. So we have a lot to look forward to in 2020, and I hope you'll be by. We can't wait to open up again, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.